Well, it's not bad either.
Nice.
End of the day, 10 minutes, we're gonna go home. Jay had already hooked into a nice 7-pounder today. We were talking about how I hadn't got anything over half-pound lake trout.
Nice, buddy.
Nice.
That's not a bad laker.
It's a beauty.
Sweet.
3 or 4 pounder.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a nice looking fish too. It's really clean looking. Sweet, man.
Yeah, beauty.
Sending her back to the depths.
I'm gonna put this one back. Oh, cooked up my line. Oh, that thing's still hooked. You swallowed it.
Holy fuck, I thought you'd already had the hook out.
I thought it spat the hook.
Yeah, same. I didn't even see
Holy fuck, look at that. Look how deep the hook is.
That's insane. Yeah, those little pliers are down here somewhere.
I got a whole swamp. There's no one there. Oh, it's in his gills.
Oh.
Yeah, the bottom one's in his gills.
Wow, he inhaled that thing.
I might be able to get at it from underneath, see? 1 second. It might be savable. Oh no.
Game over.
He's dead.
Well, it's a beauty anyways, though.